So in the spirit of understanding China better, maybe to get a bit of your advice, if I were to visit China, what's the right way to visit, to experience it, to see the people, to talk to the people, maybe outside of the big cities? Is there any advice you can give to somebody going to China?
Check out Speed,
Mm-hmm.
his
Yes.
travels into China.
Yes.
I think they represent um, a more dynamic reality than just visiting Beijing and Shanghai and Shenzhen, the big cities. I actually think a lot of the opportunities, especially economic opportunities, are in the second, third tier cities now in China. And there's a return of talent. These companies, Pop Mart, they're coming from these second tier cities that care about the local economy, about fun, entertainment. That's what the new generation is about. They don't want to be lining up some factory, doing manufacturing jobs. If you think that the Chinese new generation is still all about that, you should really study them a little bit more. They're all about making their lives more fun and more interesting, right? That's the cycle, right? In the beginning, Chinese people are hungry. They want to look for jobs and they find these jobs in the manufacturing. Now they want a work-life balance. They are spearheading fashion, right? They spend so much more on entertainment, travel, clothing, restaurants. They have come out with these amazing coffee chains that have beaten completely Starbucks within a very short amount of time. This is all the new generation. Where are the opportunities? It's in the local areas. It's all about localism, not globalism, localism. Being rooted in your local economy, you will actually find so many more opportunities. You go to Chongqing. I actually was watching a video about Chongqing. I thought we were in Shanghai. I was so surprised. And you go to Chengdu. It's fun. People work a little bit less, but it's really exciting. It's very fun. People are really nice. Go to Xinjiang. Take a look for yourself. There's ski resorts being opened there. You have a very interesting, colorful, dynamic, complex country, and it's not defined by Beijing and Shanghai.
So the small cities are flourishing and are developing a personality of their own.
They are flourishing more than the first major tier cities.
Interesting. What's the most beautiful thing to you about China and its people that you wish more people knew?
Behind all this competition and ambition, you have a very genuine group of people. They are funny. They are they're community based. They are authentic. Actually, it's not contradictory, right? You have a society which is heavily controlled, but they find ways to be truly, truly authentic. And ultimately, they're just a very social group, right? Again, I keep on coming to this being lonely aspect of the Western society and increasingly living alone. That is not China. It's still a very, very warm country. And they're warm to foreigners and they are friendly.
Well, I'm very grateful for you being a voice of balance, a voice of reason in this world, and for the book you've written on China that a lot of people deeply respect, and for talking today. Okay, thank you so much. This was an honor.
Great to be with you. It's a pleasure.